traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now first let me show you today's date and time. So today is 23rd of November 2020 and currently time is 9:33 AM. So coming on to our today's trade, traders, by mistake I have taken today two trades in Reliance and Adani ports. It got executed because I placed limit order in both of these. I thought that if order one get executed, I will cancel one order. But what happened is that both of the order got executed. So today we have taken two trades. It's okay. There is no problem in that also. We are learning. So traders, now you can see in Adani ports, we have taken the entry here. And here is our target and this is our stop loss, and in Reliance this is here. We have given our stop loss but have not placed our target because we are thinking to capture some big move in Reliance. Okay traders, so now let me explain you the complete setup for Reliance. Okay traders, so here it is. So traders, what I am thinking that this was this candle which was of last trading day at which market was open. So you can see it is a complete bearish candle. You can see that there was a large momentum last trading day. So what I am thinking that if that momentum continues, we can get a good profit. So what I have think that in the morning it was showing some bearish momentum. You can see that first tried to go high but again it came downside. Okay traders, so what I here did that I placed order for the selling side and our target is here, and let me show you in the pivot points. Okay, so our target is some points above S1 and this is the line traders. This is horizontal line is the high of last trading day. You can see here this. So if it is breaking this also, we can book profit here, and you can see it is showing some bearish momentum today. So this is our setup in Reliance. Now coming on to Adani ports, let me open the 1 day time frame. Okay traders, so in Adani ports also you can see the last trading candle was also some kind of bearish candle. Okay traders, so what I added that today you can see it made a high of here but again it came downside. So what I am thinking that it can also show today some bearish momentum. So I have taken trade here also, and this is the support which I have drawn here by this horizontal blue line, and if this support is also broken then it can give our target till here. And let me show you it in one time frame. Okay, so in 1 minute time frame the target is at some points above the S2 which is the support. So trader, this is simple setup. We are trying to predict the market according to the last trading day. So as it was bearish, there are some chances that market today can also be bearish. And now coming on to the stop loss, I have placed my stop loss at today's day's high. So if the market is trying to reverse, it has to break today's high. So there is our stop loss. So if it is going to reverse, we will book loss and we will exit our trade. Same is in Reliance traders. If it is trying to reverse, it has to break today's high and we have placed the stop loss there. So trader, this is our today's both trades explanation. Hope you understand something. If you are getting some or not, if you are not getting it, please mention in comment. I will explain it deeply or according to the way which you want. So this is our trade, traders, and now I'm pausing the video, and when it will show any kind of momentum on either side, I will update you. So traders, now it's 3:50 p.m. You can see market has been closed, and I was having some work to do, so I left my trade with our decided target and stop loss. So here you can see this was the momentum given by the Reliance today. Okay traders, so what happened, it didn't hit our stop loss, but since our order was MIS order, so our trade we exited our trade at 3:15 automatically. So here you can see this is the candle of 3:15 p.m. traders. Okay, so what we will do, that we will drag this tool to our exit price. So here it is. So are we at 3:15? Okay traders. Okay, so we exited our trade at here. Okay traders, then also we didn't get our stop loss got triggered, but we had booked some loss today in this Reliance, so that's okay. So let's calculate the loss in loss in the Reliance trade. So our quantities were 2, so let's calculate. So 2 quantities, and our stop loss points were, here you can see 17.35. that's not stop loss point, but we exited our trade at. So okay traders, our today's loss in Reliance is 34.7 rupees. Okay traders, now let us come on to our second trade, which was in Adani Ports. So let me open it. Okay traders, so here also you can see traders, the time at which we entered the trade, the Adani Ports tried to go downside. Here you can see it gone good towards our target, but then there from it reversed and showed us sideways momentum. Okay traders, so in this also we exited our trade at 3:15 p.m. So here is the point which we exited our trade. So let me drag this tool. So is it place? Okay traders, so we exited our trade in Adani Ports at here, but then also we have to, unfortunately we have to book some loss in this also, so that's okay. So our quantities were 16, as you already know traders, so 16 quantities, and so the points which we got lost for is 1.85. So our total loss in Adani Ports today's traders 29.6 rupees. So let us add the loss of Reliance also. So 16 quantities into 1.5, sorry traders, 1.85. okay, so 16 into 1.85, which was 29.6. so 29.6 plus, and our loss in Reliance was 34.7. okay, so our today's total loss traders is 64.3 rupees. It's okay, sometimes we have to book these kind of small losses because of sideways momentum or consolidation is shown by market. Okay traders, so traders, this was our today's trade. Hope you learned something from this video and enjoyed it. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.